Hey, this is Peter again. So what I'm going to do right now, you have to pay attention to, because I'm going to make a very important point here today. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just signing. I'm signing, and what I'm actually signing here is I'm signing some closing paperwork. Okay, this is a property that I am buying today. I just got in my office about, Kara, how long have I been here?
Probably 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds. Kara's behind the camera. You guys will get to know her here soon. She does some great stuff, very important to us. But I walked in, I got some other things I got to do. So as I walk in, there is really this that I am signing, and there's one other set of documents. So today I am buying 2 properties. But here's why it's important that I show you what I'm doing. The bottom line is, this is how we handle closings here. What happens is, our closing attorneys email us our paperwork, and by the time I get to the office, I'm done. I'm done. That's closing right there. So by the time I get to the office, Carrie gets that in her email. She emails it over to Mary. Mary prints it. Notarizes it. When I'm here, I'm signing it. We're done. We're ready to go. That is my closing. Think about how long it takes an average person to do closing, an average investor. You know, you're getting in your car, you're driving somewhere, you're waiting somewhere, you're closing, you're driving back. I mean, you're excited, you know, things are good, but that's a half, sometimes it's a whole day wasted. People always talk about, well, you know, how do you systematize things in this business? This right here is called systematizing it. Okay, there's no like magical systems that actually take place. It's doing things efficiently, it's doing things proficiently, it's doing things that are important, that you spend time on, and things like this that are pretty much admin things you shouldn't be spending time on. When you learn to systematize things, another word for that I always teach people, that's called lifestyle. See, ultimately in real estate, we all get into it for the same reason. 2 reasons, really. We all want to make money, but almost everybody that gets into real estate wants to have a lifestyle. And this is where these catchwords come in. Systematizing, systematizing, systematizing. I use the word, you got to know how to create a lifestyle. You got to focus on things that are important. We've systematized everything in this business, from how we negotiate, to how we inspect, to how we close, to how we sell. Everything is systematized to the level that all I got to do is pretty much oversee everything, and the business pretty much runs on autopilot. So then here's the question people always say, well, gosh, Pete, so you're the guy that goes on the yacht and drinks every day and parties every night. No, that's not true. All lifestyle is, and all style means, is that you do what you want to do. And you know what? I work a lot. I don't run away from that. I built this business not so I could stop working. I built this business so I could work how I want to work. So for instance, today I'm just getting in. What time is it, Kara? It's 9:32. I got in here about 5 minutes ago, but the reality is I've been up since about 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning. You know, I work for a couple hours in the morning. I love working in the mornings. I do the same thing I do here, crank out. At home, I got a whole big office with floor-to-ceiling windows. I crank the windows up, nice cold breeze coming in. I worked a lot in the morning, worked a couple hours, then woke up one of my boys, 13 years old. He decided he wants to start working out. So I took Josh at around 6:30 or maybe 7 o'clock to our gym, and we worked out. Reality is, we didn't work out. He worked out. I just kind of walked along with him, and I watched him. And then I got home. By that time, everybody else was up. So I took one of my other kids, my daughter, to school. And then after taking her to school, I went to the gym, and I actually worked out. Okay? So, worked out with my son, took my kids to school, worked out by myself. The rest of the day I'm working, and I'm working hard. But the point is, from the time I get up at 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning to the time I go to bed, I'm doing what I want to do. I do what I would love to do, and that is building this business. My point is this. In this business, you've got to learn how to be efficient. You got to learn how to systematize things. You got to learn to focus on the things that you need to focus on to make you money. And ultimately, when you systematize and you build it the right way, what you create in turn, you create a lifestyle. And ultimately, that's why we're all in this business for, is lifestyle. Again, my name is Peter. We love doing deals here. We love helping other people do deals. Also, we coach people, we partner with people, we market for people, we sell real estate to investors, we buy real estate, you name it, we do it. And you know what, the other thing is, I always answer my own phone. I don't screen my calls, and if you ever want to talk to me to know how we could help you in this business, if you want to be part of anything I just mentioned, feel free to call me at 404-915-9685. As you can see here on the screen, my email, send me an email, tell me what you got going on, what you're doing, and what we could do to help you out. Great, have a great day.